Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. This can be episode 13, if I'm not mistaken. I did say last episode was 11, but it's really 12 if you've seen the thumbnail. The losing track that's a challenge. Anyway, this is going to be episode 13 of racing every single track in every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Now we're working on getting our way through, going through everything. Last episode we went on basically the X track is what I'm going to call it. Pretty boring, pretty bland. If you want to go check it out, go check it out. Me personally, I probably wouldn't watch it. I say that, and then we'll get into this video because I placed P3. I'm going to go ahead and spoil it because it was awful, and we were flat out in the Type R the entire time. And P1 took it over 17-second gap. P2 got us over 2.5 seconds. It was awful. No skill really involved aside from some drafting and defensive. We didn't get past, thankfully, but we had nothing much to draft off of or slipstream. Anyway, let's go ahead and hop right in. Okay, as we hop right in here, go ahead and get our steering wheel on. I love this kind of quick release style thing. As we hop in here, my first racing setup, I didn't have a quick release technical steering wheel, so I love it. It's amazing. Now I know people have got their thing about Fanatec, but I love the way they're styled. I love the way it feels, things like that. And it's the only one I've handled except for a Logitech and the PlayStation version. Those were awful. So this is what we hit last race, the Special Stage Route X. I'm just going to call it X. But today we're going to be heading over to Brazil a little bit just because it goes down in order. And that might be the way we do it, I think. Make it easy, make it predictable-ish. Going to go to Autodromo de Interlagos. Hopefully I said all of that correctly. I don't know how you're going to correct me in the comments, but figure out a way if I said something wrong. Anyway, we're going to hop in. We got 2 laps we're going to do. I can't say I've done this track. I might have. Anyway, we're about to. I mean, we're going to be doing every track in here. So if we haven't done it, we're going to be. And it's going to be in the Type R first. Now, I'm starting to try and think ahead of what we're going to do. That was awful. Yeah. Of what we're going to do vehicle-wise. And now, me being me, because the goal is to get into full-blown on racing. I mean, we're posting every single day. I'm putting everything we can into it. Eventually, I'll be posting more than one a day. I'm just trying to get ahead on the posting and staying on top of comments and things like that, and also practicing because I continue to hit cars. Another goal is to not wreck, not have an accident. But I think we're going to get into some GT4 cars, GT3, heading to the Group 2 and Group 1 cars as we go along. I think I'll start with all GT4 cars first and purchase them as I go through. Oh, now wasn't paying attention. Knocked the Lexus off. But if you have, recommendations on what car you want to see next, definitely let me know. I'll take it into consideration. I'm straight up being honest with you. That is how I do things. Honesty is key. And that's why I'm talking about my vision on here. I want to know what y'all can expect from me. And we're going to constantly improve, constantly get better. And since I'm focusing on YouTube more right now, I do need to at some point hop back into TikTok a little bit. So definitely go check that out. Same tagline, Red Racing Industries. I've got it on all platforms from Instagram, Facebook. I've got YouTube as we're on here, LinkedIn, which I've also got a Threads, I guess, technically, and then TikTok. I don't think I'll be doing any other platforms, at least at this time, until those platforms prove worthy. Now, even though I am on easy, the camera turned off. Hang on. Okay, we got it going again. So I'll have to put that in editing. I hate it when it does that. Yeah, now I hadn't done it in quite some videos, I'll say, so I'm proud of it, but I hate that it did it. I think it's because it stayed on for a moment. Anyway, still working out the technical difficulties, and that is a part of learning. Now, goals, moving forward, we've got to work on the Porsche. We've got to get it running because I would love to track it, would love to get some seat time in it. But we need funds, lots of them. Now, the way to support right now, I'm not requiring any actual money from you. Because I'm gonna try and get sponsors and things to do all of that. So that is what I need y'all's help for, as I completely screw up this lap. Now I still am in first, so that's good. But watch my videos, comment, subscribe. Now I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe in those cringy ways, but subscribe. I mean, that is how you can support me and help me grow and get out there, because the goal one day is to legit be on a track, the same ones we're racing on that are real tracks, not like the previous episode. I don't think I'd really enjoy driving on a track like that in real life. It's cool for top speed and so forth, have you, but not really. Anyway, I mean, we're coming about to an end here. Other than that, we're gonna keep working on the dream, so keep supporting. I do want to say thank y'all again for watching, and we tend to always chat here at the end anyway, but currently I've got a whopping 44 subscribers, so thank you everybody. We jumped up to 44 real quick. I mean, we are posting every single day, so don't miss out. Now, I never know what I'm going to be posting next. So far, we're kind of using this as filler content, but also so I can practice getting better, not only recording in this type of format, but also getting better at racing and getting some purpose out of it. Plus, talking the whole time helps me a little bit too, changing that little bit of focus, so I'm focusing on more than one thing, at least I feel like. But I've done a lot of car content, recording videos of vehicles and teaching how-tos and stuff, and I've got all that on my other channel, Caleb Ritt Official. So as of right now, I've done a couple popular brands that I really like. Porsche, I've done a few videos on that. I've done the Chevrolet Corvette, if you have one of those. The newer one, the C8, at least at this time, that's the newer one, until you watch this video in like 5 years, when hopefully I'm really on a track getting at it. But most of it being Buicks and GMCs, that has really got me a long way to buying the 1985.5 Porsche 944 I've got downstairs and get this sim rig going. So everybody on that channel, I do want to say thank you. If you're watching here as well, I definitely appreciate it. Just keep that support going, and it means a lot to me. Other than that, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day.